Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually delete a highlight on Instagram. Now I'm basically going to show you two ways. The first is how you can actually delete a particular story from a particular highlight versus how you can actually delete the whole highlight itself. I'm going to show you both ways, so you want to make sure to stick around till the end. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to delete story highlights on Instagram. So in this guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually delete some of the story highlights which you might have added on Instagram. So you want to make sure to stick with us till the end. First of all, you have to make sure to simply actually update the Instagram app to the latest version. If you haven't updated, you can head over to your app store. In the search box, type in Instagram and go ahead and simply either download or update the Instagram app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated Instagram, I'm going to open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are basically logged into your account. Now what we can do is, from the bottom right hand side of the screen, you have to simply tap on your profile icon. So simply tap on the profile icon which you see. As you tap on your profile icon, you're going to be redirected to your profile page, and right on top you can see that we have actually added this particular story highlight before. Now there are basically two things you need to consider if you actually want to delete a particular story which I have added on this highlights versus if you actually want to delete the whole highlight itself. I will show you both of that. So first of all, in order to actually delete a particular story from this highlight, I'm going to tap on it, and you can see I have added 3 stories. If I want to delete a particular story out of here, I will simply tap on the 3-dot icon at the bottom of the screen, and then simply tap on the option that says remove from highlight. If you tap on remove from highlight, you can see it says remove photo from highlight. You will still be able to see the photo in your archive, so you can tap on remove photo, and that photo will actually be deleted from your highlight. However, if you actually want to delete the whole highlight itself, you have to simply actually long press on this highlight, and at the bottom of the screen you'll find the button which says delete highlight. And what you could do is basically simply tap on the delete highlight button, and it says us to actually delete highlight, so we are going to simply tap on the delete button in order to delete these story highlights on Instagram. And this is basically how you can do it. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.